Marthedal Solar Air and Heating is the best air conditioning contractor in Selma, California. We operate out of Fresno, California, and a second office in Clovis, but we operate up and down the 99 all the way into Visalia, making a home stop in Selma something we do daily. Our company has been around since 1976. We are heating and cooling experts for the San Joaquin Valley. We love to work and ensure your home comfort system is operating to its full capacity. And you can ask any of our longtime customers, as we've been servicing the area for over 40 years. Your home comfort is our goal, and we know how home comfort systems operate. We deal with repair and service for your air conditioning units, and we also repair heating units too. In addition to that, we offer installation and servicing and maintenance of home solar systems and larger projects such as agriculture and commercial buildings as well. Save energy and save money by eliminating inefficiencies as they waste energy and your money. Bad installs can result in bad efficiency, so we do it right every time. We do AC repair, so you'll save money and make sure your unit is operating as it should. And solar panels are a really great way to minimize your energy budget over the long term. So, for the best solar, air conditioning, and heating solutions in San Joaquin Valley, give Marthedal Solar Air and Heating a call. We do air conditioning repair and service, AC installation, solar panels and maintenance, heating and furnace topics as well. So go ahead and learn more about us by visiting our website here and give us a call.